Hello guys, it's me Abdi HusniFX mentor. Welcome to HusniFX official uh, channel on YouTube, and also welcome to our Telegram channel. In this video, I'm gonna explaining and also want to teach you how I trade on VIX 75, because most of my friends in Telegram and also on WhatsApp everywhere, they ask me how do we trade with VIX 75 because it is very volatile and always it blows our accounts. So it's very simple guys, follow this video and practice with it. If you don't have this set up, please contact me, then I will show you how you can set up this moving average. But most of them I use price action. Let's go and explain how I make trades on VIX 75. So I always make a top-down analysis, starting analysis from the daily time frame, and then find out the structure of the market. So I clearly see what the market is doing, and wherever it is possible to find an entry when you are at lower time frames, but you have to understand the key zones, the levels that the market has. So the behaviors of all assets in static indices, they are not the same, the movement is different. So one thing you should focus on is the trend of the market. So always, if you have this EMA, focus on this blue EMA and also this EMA. So this is exactly where you always find the sharp fins where the market may be tracing. So you can call it like the full stop, where the market always stops, or it's a strong zone. So the sharp fins you can see, like here there is a bottom and there's another bottom. So we call double bottom. So it is very strong reversal zone that most of the traders focus on to get entries on swing or intraday trading. So guys, when you know that almost the price is above this blue line, so the price is uptrend. So the price is always uptrend strongly for swing traders. So when we wanted to know the lower momentum highs and lows, we go below this time frame. So before there, let us find out the structure of this market. One thing is, I always find out the key zones of the current trend. So the current trend is uptrend, so I should focus on this trend line. Okay, I should focus on this trend line. So when I get this, I have to confirm that this trend is exactly the right way, that it is just moving, because you can see that there is a zone here, there is a key zone, there is a structure. You can see this structure. So if this structure is exactly the right one, I have to confirm the previous trend. So the previous trend of this market was that this market was just to continue to the downside. So I have a nice structure, as you can see. So this structure must cross the current structure. Okay, you can see exactly the zone that the market is now in. So this is the leg that the market now is moving. So we have a nice structure. If you see here, so you can see that this was a nice trend which has ended, but the market started a new trend. So when you have these things, then you can go and change the time frame into H4. Okay, into H4. So while we're just going, we are filtering out the other key zones which we cannot see on daily time frame, because you can see on these key zone, you can see these key zones which you cannot see when you go on the daily time frame. So always go the lower time frames from top till the down, and then find out any key zones that you cannot see. I mean the key zone structure. Find out the structures of the market by starting the daily till the down time frame. So I go on H4 and find out if I have a nice structures around this zone. So I will have confirmations of following this trend. So for sure, we have a nice structure, I use from now on I use on trend lines and horizontal or horizontal lines, or maybe horizontal rays, anything or any tool that is just helping me to find out this market. You can see hidden divergence, guys, which is the double bottom. So you can see this, there is a correction wave. We don't just see it here. So you can see this. Oh my god, there is a clear setup. Okay, when I come at H4, I see a clear setup, guys. Okay, so I'm finding out the structure. You can see here and you can see here. What I will do is I will use right now horizontal ray. Place it here and then place this horizontal ray. Current reverses. So in here, there it's the retracement area or golden ratio points. If I use from here, if I use the VIP level, look the golden ratio. This yellow, you can see that the price push up and then reverses. This is pullback, and then you can see that the price is going. You can see where it has reached. So now I can see that the price has reached its first target. So it's possible to break the price and then go till here and then go here. So it's very nice, guys, if you know what is happening. But do I trade at H4? No. Do I trade at H1? No. Where I trade is M5, 5 minutes. Now I filter out daily. I find out the trend of the market, structures of the daily time frame, structures of also you can see H4. Everything is clear on H4. So what is happening at H1? Let us look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour chart. So let us see on the structure. It will be exactly very nice. So what we see right now is everything is clear on H4 and also the same on H1 or 1 hour time frame. So what I will do is right now I see that the market is just moving up and rigid its target. So I will respect the market and wait if there is a good structure at lower time frames. So I have to go at lower time frames and wait what's happening. So go 30 minutes, because I can find another structures on 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So find out the there is a structure. So you can see that the market is still uptrend, and you can see it has reached its high, and the price is at the resistance zone. As you can see, if we place, there is a small movement which means like the price has broken strong resistance, and the current resistance is being broken. The price has moved it up somehow level, like some pips. Sorry. I will find my entries of M5. So this buy I have closed it. I don't know whether you hear it, but I have closed it right now because it was a nice buy. From here till here we have made a huge money. So if I go 15 minutes, I will see a nice structure here. Yeah, if you have made analysis from all the time frames, then you can see that the market has broken here. Okay, broke up and then reached that zone. So from here till here we made a profit, then we closed, and then exactly the price makes retracement and back tested here. Let us go on M5 because we can see everything clearly on M5. When we go on M5, we can see this is exactly a nice setup. So on in this time frame, what we know is that the market is still uptrend. So always the price is breaking structure. So follow the trend, be a friend with the trend. So be a friend with the trend. So the trend must be your friend. So see what happened. So I know that the price is buying at higher time frame. I follow the trend, which is uptrend. If the market is selling, I have to make sure that the trend, the general trend of the market is downtrend. If the market is just buying, I have to make sure that the market is has a general uptrend. So you can see that the market has broken this trend line and then back tested and then goes up. That is exactly very nice. So how can I have my exit points if I'm just buying like 5 minutes? One of the questions most of my friends asked me, how do you exit on M5? Because when you start the analysis from high time frames and then come 5 minutes, you need exit points. Okay, you see when market tested, then it's buy. How can I exit? You can see from here till here there's a nice into it. Let me show you how I made my exit points. Okay, from here to here, okay, I have 0.97. so let me say like like 1%. Okay, I need to have a target of 1%. Okay, like 1% from that zone. So 1% is exactly my exit point. So I will do from here to here. You can see 1%. Okay, that was my exit, and then you can see the price has made reversal. So 1% is your exit point, and exactly the other entry, which is after this correction, you can see the price has just made a move. So now we have an extension entry. The price is making a break up, and then we need exactly exit points. So the exit points is the previous one. So you have to multiply maybe multiply it, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Add another, if you see another 1%. So that will be your next extension exit points, but make sure the break up and also the back test, and that is exactly very nice. Right now I am placing my extension, my next entry of VIX 75 before it broke in. So you can see that the market is just moving up. So where is my next exit point? So it must be 2. Okay, there is my next exit point. So you can see 9. So price level, if this price continues, I will have my exit points there. Okay, price level. So there is my next TP. Okay guys, I hope you have understood how I make top-down analysis on VIX 75 and have my own targets and exit points. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a successful trades. Bye.